If we move forward and we look at the next step on how we can actually take this ad hoc, this creative information from the communities, how can I leverage that into Noomeo? So what I'd like to show you is actually how we take that into Noomeo, and as a project manager, thank you, we'll take a look at can I integrate system requirements into here. So from the community, I identified 2 items. One, there was an idea to add a wireless connection from my scanner to download information. What great idea. One requirement. Second requirement, and this is a great story. I sent out some prototype scanners to a few of these privileged customers who took these nice handheld devices, and prototypes are expensive. So what happened? They would scan these, they're handheld, then they would set it down on the floor. What happened? They'd go off and work, and somebody else, crunch, stepping on my prototype. What an outrage. But it was valuable information we learned from this experience. So what I'm going to do is add another requirement here that says, let's make sure that if somebody steps on my machine, it does not break. So what you can see here is I'm looking after the work breakdown structure, sets of requirements and test cases that I can add so that my engineering team take these into account. So I'm connecting the community to use cases that get into a workflow and a process. Nice connection here. And I'm just looking, great. Here it is, that use case. So this is the use case that I just explained that will allow me to say, okay, when engineering goes and they bring up their next task, okay, why do we have to do this? Now I understand. They'll have that information in hand.